Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the NACON PS4 Asymmetric wireless controller. Let's dive into its unique features and see if it's the right fit for your gaming style. This controller boasts an ergonomic design, ensuring comfort during long play sessions. Its asymmetric stick layout, much like an Xbox controller, offers a different feel for PlayStation gamers. Plus, you get wireless freedom with a generous 10-meter range, and the battery lasts for up to 7 hours. Moving on to performance, this controller delivers precise control with its responsive analog sticks and triggers, enhancing your gameplay. A standout feature is the ability to customize button mapping through the NACON PC software. You can also fine-tune stick sensitivity and dead zones to match your exact preferences. What's more, you can save up to 4 distinct custom profiles directly onto the controller, making it easy to switch between game setups. Every product has its strengths and weaknesses. On the plus side, the asymmetric stick layout is a huge win for players who prefer that style, offering enhanced comfort. The wireless connectivity provides excellent freedom, and the 7-hour battery life is quite respectable for extended play. However, some users have noted that the overall build quality, while solid, might not feel as premium as first-party controllers, which is something to consider. So, who is this controller for? If you're a PlayStation gamer who prefers the ergonomic feel of an Xbox-style asymmetric stick layout, this NACON controller is definitely worth considering. Its extensive customization options truly elevate the user experience, allowing you to tailor it to your exact needs. If comfort, wireless freedom, and personalized control are your top priorities, this controller offers a compelling and feature-rich alternative to standard options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.